You guys have a visitor this morning? Oh, there it is. Oh, Colby seems to like her. What do you think, Jose? You like her? What do you guys think? You like her too, Miss Jessie? Pretty girl. Good morning, Coco. Good morning, Coco. It's a good morning, isn't it? Yes, it is. Good girl. What are you doing? Miss Jessie. Miss Lucy. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Uh-oh, here comes the intruder. Jose. What you doing? Oh, hello. Hello. Hi, Playboy. Good morning. Hi, Moon Pie. Good morning. Hi, Mr. Colby. Good morning. And there's Mr. Prowler. Prowley. Hi, Colby. Hi, Colby.